Auditor, me, who looks after an affair of a CA.
The ICAI has set up a system to control this, known as peer review. To help us understand what peer review means, we have with us Deepak Jain to present his paper.
This is Deepak Jain from Kolkata. Let's talk about peer review. My dear friends, for the purpose of understanding of peer review, let's go on a child use this. In the school, the class teacher used to give us the homework. और आप लोग होमवर्क करते थे ना? पता है मेरे को करते थे आप. So the next day, the class teacher has to verify the homework. For the purpose of verification, class teacher has two options. या तो क्लास टीचर खुद आपका होमवर्क चेक कर ले, या क्लास टीचर में आज अदर स्टूडेंट कि आप एक दूसरे का होमवर्क चेक कीजिए, क्या उन्होंने अपना होमवर्क ठीक से किया कि नहीं किया. माय डियर फ्रेंड, द पीयर रिव्यू इज बेस्ड ऑन द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट, बट इन केस ऑफ पीयर रिव्यू, द स्कूल टीचर is being replaced by peer review board of ICI. Student whose homework is being reviewed by another student is being replaced by practice unit. Student who is reviewing the homework of another student is being replaced by reviewer. इसका मतलब जब एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट दूसरे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट की ऑडिट करता है, दैट इज नॉन एज पीयर रिव्यू. क्या उसने अपना काम ठीक से किया कि नहीं किया. नाउ माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट इज अ पीयर रिव्यू? Peer means a person of equal standing. Peer review is a process by which the work of a chartered accountant in practice is being evaluated, reviewed by another chartered accountant in practice. What was the intention of ICI?
The presenter, please do not interrupt.
What was the intention of ICI for the purpose of introduction of peer review? क्यों peer review institute ने लाया? Peer review is conducted so as to ensure that profession is conscious of responsibility, strive its best, so as to ensure highest degree of standard is being observed by all the members rendering audit and attention services to the society. What is the objective of peer review? क्यों peer review करवाते हैं हम लोग? The answer is very simple, my dear friends. It is conducted to ensure that member while performing attention services comply with the technical standards of ICI. What are the technical standards? Accounting standards. Standards on accounting, guidance note, notification, circular issued by ICI to ensure compliance with regulatory and the statutory requirement for the purpose of maintaining quality of attention service performed by him and to enhance the reliance placed by the user on the financial statement. मतलब इंस्टीट्यूट चाहता है कि मेरे सारे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट सारे अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड, सारे ऑडिटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स और सारे स्टैट्यूटरी एंड द रेगुलेटरी रिक्वायरमेंट के साथ कंप्लाई करें. Now, for the purpose of understanding of peer review, we need to understand two things: peer review board of ICI and the reviewer. In the council of ICI in March 2002 established the peer review board. The peer review board consists of 11 members, out of which 6 shall be the member of the council. At least 2/3 of the council members must hold the certificate of practice. The balance members shall be drawn from the prominent individual of high integrity and reputation, such as bankers, business executives, and regulatory authorities. The board shall assist and regulate the peer review process and provides the manner in which the peer review is being carried out. मतलब इंस्टीट्यूट का peer review board ये देखता है कि क्या peer review का प्रोसेस ढंग से हो पा रहा है कि नहीं हो पा रहा है. Now, who shall be the reviewer? कौन रिव्यू करेगा, कौन उनका चेक करेगा कि उन्होंने ढंग से किया कि नहीं किया. The reviewer shall be the member of ICI, मतलब chartered accountant in practice, having at least 10 years of cumulative audit experience and currently in practice. He should be currently active in the practice of accountancy and auditing. The reviewer, जैसे ऑडिट के अंदर क्या होता है, सीए को असिस्टेंट का हेल्प लेना पड़ता है ना वाउचिंग के लिए, वेरिफिकेशन के लिए, तो सेम वे फॉर पीयर रिव्यू ही नीड टू टेक द हेल्प ऑफ क्वालिफाइड असिस्टेंट. आई एम यूजिंग द वर्ड क्वालिफाइड असिस्टेंट. आर्टिकल का हेल्प भी ले सकता है चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट इन प्रैक्टिस. ही नीड टू टेक द हेल्प ऑफ क्वालिफाइड असिस्टेंट. द रिव्यूअर मे टेक द हेल्प ऑफ अ क्वालिफाइड असिस्टेंट. द क्वालिफाइड असिस्टेंट नीड टू बी द मेंबर ऑफ ICI and working with a reviewer for at least 1 year as a member in practice. Now, let us understand the peer review process. कैसे peer review हो रहा है? Initially, a CA firm is on random basis selected for peer review. As soon as selection, the intimation is sent to a practice unit along with the 3 names of the reviewer, and the practice unit has to reply within 15 days of कि किनसे वो अपना रिव्यू करवाना चाहते हैं, and within 30 days it is required to submit questionnaire to the peer review board of ICI. Selection of sample, attention, service engagement on random basis. My dear friends, you go practically it is possible for you to verify all the documents of the client? The answer is no. So student na. So same concept like in the peer review. On random basis, a chartered accountant in practice selects on random basis tax ka, audit ka, which work he need to select for the peer review process. Now there shall be initial meeting between the reviewer and the practice unit. Compliance review and substantive review. It is conducted to check independence, professional skills and care, staff supervision, office administration and outside consultation. It is conducted to check the creditworthiness of internal control institute. आप इंस्टीट्यूट की ट्रांसपेरेंसी देखिए कि प्रैक्टिस यूनिट को 3 नाम दिए जाते हैं, 3 नाम में से कोई एक नाम चूज करना है. और दूसरा कि पीयर रिव्यू बोर्ड का कोई भी सदस्य इंस्टीट्यूट की डिसिप्लिनरी कमेटी का मेंबर नहीं रहेगा एंड नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद एथिकल कमिटी ऑफ आईसीआई. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट ट्रांसपेरेंसी दैट इंस्टीट्यूट के पास है. अकाउंटेबिलिटी हमारे पास. नाउ द थर्ड स्टेज रिपोर्टिंग. हाउ रिपोर्टिंग इज डन? Now, if reviewer is satisfied with the work of practice unit, then final report shall be given to the peer review board. If he is not satisfied with the work of practice unit, then preliminary report has to be given to the practice unit. Within 21 days, the practice unit has to reply. If he is satisfied with the reply of practice unit, then final report to the peer review board. If it is not satisfied, then entry report to the peer review board. The peer review board now shall instruct it to amend the procedure and ask the reviewer to check once again after 3 months whether the same has been amended or not. What is the documentation? These are the recommended documentation prescribed by the peer review board of ICI. Procedure for engagement letter, planning for audit, use of audit program, procedure for documentation, procedure for review, maintenance and reviewability of audit records. What are the services covered under peer review? कौन सी services का peer review हो सकता है? Statutory audit, tax audit, VAT audit, internal audit, concurrent audit, certification, any attestation which provides the element of assurance to the user. Secrecy, strict secrecy need to be maintained by the reviewer, member of the board, council and person who assists any of this party. Non-compliance with the secrecy provision will amount to professional misconduct. अगर peer review के दौरान आपने client reviewer का किसी भी नाम को बता दिया तो आपको professional misconduct का दोषी हो जाएंगे. Notion versus truth. एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंट का काम होता है इस सच को सामने लेके आना. लोगों को लगता है कि पीयर रिव्यू इसलिए हो रहा है नॉट टू फाइंड डेफिशिएंसीज बट टू इंप्रूव द क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विसेज. इंस्टीट्यूट अपने मेंबर्स में कमी नहीं निकालता. इंस्टीट्यूट तो ये चाहता है कि मेरे मेंबर्स और अच्छे से काम करें. नॉट टू रिडिफाइन द स्कोप ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड बट टू एंश्योर एनफोर्समेंट. इंस्टीट्यूट आपको स्टैंडर्ड की नई परिभाषा नहीं दे रहा. इंस्टीट्यूट तो आप चाहता है कि आप स्टैंडर्ड का पालन करें. नॉट टू पेनलाइज बट टू प्रोवाइड गाइडलाइंस. इंस्टीट्यूट आपको सजा देना नहीं चाहता. इंस्टीट्यूट तो आपको मार्गदर्शन देना चाहता है. कंक्लूजन. Security and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) has recently made it mandatory that only a CA firm which has been reviewed by the successful clean peer review certificate will be entitled to undertake the audit of listed company. My dear friend, it is a great challenge, but at the same time, it's a great opportunity for us, as this will ensure general improvement of the audit and assurance engagement. At the end, I'd like to conclude, as rightly said by Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. भगवान श्री कृष्ण अर्जुन से कहते हैं, जो सत्य था वो सत्य है, जो असत्य था वो असत्य है. सत्य का ना ही तो कभी अंत हो सकता है, ना ही तो सत्य का कभी विनाश हो सकता है. As rightly said by Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, fear not. What is not real never was and never would be real. What is real always was and cannot be destroyed. And the reality is that we chartered accountants observe the highest degree of the ethical standards, and the peer review will lead us one more step toward perfection. Thank you. I'd like to thank the Board of Studies of ICI, Aurangabad branch of ICI, Vikasha member, organizing committee members, above all